Did you know that using High Level's email marketing tool, you can resend emails to contacts that didn't open the first email? This is an incredibly powerful part of email marketing using High Level. It's really cool, so let me show you how it works. Now, in our email marketing manager on the sub-account level under marketing and email campaigns, we can see all of our email campaigns that we've sent out in this sub-account. If you haven't sent out an email marketing campaign yet, then feel free to make a template and send out the email to some of your contacts, or just click new and create a new email campaign. But once you've sent out an email campaign, let's say 3 or 4 days go by and you have contacts who didn't open the first email that you sent, all you have to do is navigate to your campaign, click the 3 dots on the right-hand side, and then click resend email to unopened. Then you can pick a resend date for the non-openers as long as the first email was sent between 12 hours and 10 days ago. So this is designed to resend an email that you sent recently to try and get new engagement from the contacts. Additionally, we can resend this email with a new subject line here, or we can keep the same subject line, which will be filled in this field. And then once we're ready, we can click confirm, and then this will send out this email once more only to the people who didn't open it the first time. This is a really powerful tool, and if you're using email marketing with High Level, this is an absolute must-have to have implemented in your sales process. As always, I hope you found this helpful. I hope you learned something new, and thanks for watching.